guys know I love bugs, right? Well, if you didn't know before, you definitely know now. Just listen to them. This is where I am right now. This is the shop that my friend owns. And this is my baby. Look what I did. I probably shouldn't zoom in on the license plate, but I think it's alright. Look at that. It's horrible, ain't it? Absolutely horrible. But they're gonna fix it. At least that's what they say. But yeah, they gotta replace this whole thing. I think it's worth it to fix it. A lot of people don't understand. But they've probably never driven a Mini Cooper before. I mean, really and truly. There's a reason why BMW is a popular vehicle. You guys, I washed my hair today. You want proof? I know that my hair looks like shit no matter what I do to it. It's because it's thin. It's always been thin. But I know, like, that it looks like I'm balding. I probably should have more shame about that, considering the fact that women in Western civilization are supposed to take pride in their hair, you know? Well, it is our glory, right? I mean, God said that. That's why I started growing it out really long, because that's what we're supposed to do. Women aren't supposed to have short hair. But I prefer my hair being short, because it goes better with my face shape. But, you know, I read that in the New Testament, and I immediately started growing my hair out. Oh, but I think my friend's here, so. No, that's not her car. That motherfucker just turned around. Amy, you're just gonna have to wait a little bit longer. Yeah. It's okay. She has ADHD really bad, so I'm sure that it takes her just as long, if not longer, to leave the house. Disorganized schizophrenia and ADHD and autism are all on the same spectrum. I've always been fascinated with mental illness. And not just because I'm obsessed with myself. I really don't like that about myself. It's just the way that I am, and I'm not gonna pretend to be something that I'm not. And I think that's one of the appeals to me, is that I really can't be something I'm not. You know, it's pretty much impossible. Because believe it or not, back when I was in a government school, I tried to be like other people and failed miserably. And so it's just better that I just go with myself, whatever the fuck that is.